Hi guys, I'm going to go over some of the 7-5 stuff that you may have had questions on. So here it is, and then you're going to do a little practice quiz that needs to be taken, and then after you've taken it, correct it with the answer key that's there, make your corrections, and then submit it by the end of class, okay? Here we go. So this first one, this is side splitter theorem. You're going to take the two that are on the same line. So it should have been x over 13 minus x equals 2 over 3. Cross multiply that. So 2 times 13 minus x equals 3x. Distribute that. So this is 26 minus 2x equals 3x. We're going to add the 2x. So you get 26 equals 5x, and then divide by 5. And 26 divided by 5 is 5.2. Okay, so there's one of them that you did for the homework. All of those, that top row, are the same idea. Okay, then we're going to do number 16. And 16 is the same idea, but now you're using, instead of a triangle, it's just the parallel lines. But it's still the two that are on the same line. So 4 over x is where you're going to start with that, equals 6 over 5. And then you'd cross multiply. So 6x equals 20 and divide by 6. So x comes out to 3.3 repeating. Does that sound right? 4 over x. Yeah, so 3 1/3 or 3.3 repeating either way is fine, okay. Then we are going to do number 18. Now 18 is a little bit different because they give you this whole piece right here. We're going to set it up, the two that are on the same line, as a ratio, so 8 over 12 equals, now you come back to this smaller one, x over, but now this piece has to be 24 minus x is what we're going to call it, because we know the whole thing is 24. Take this portion of it away, so 24 minus x, and then we'll cross multiply. So 12x equals 8 times 24 minus x, and then distribute that. So 8 times 24 is 192 minus 8x. Okay, and then we're going to add the 8x. And then we're going to divide by 20. That is 9.6 for that one. Okay. Next one I'm going to do for you is number 20 here. And again, the two that are on the same line are the two that form a ratio. So we're going to say x over 3 equals, go back to the original, 8 over 5 and cross multiply. So 5x equals 24. We're going to divide by 5. So 24 divided by 5 is 4.8. So x would be 4.8 for that one. Okay, and then I'm also going to do 22, which was similar to 18. This one, if the whole thing is 6, then this piece of it will be 6 minus x. So we're going to say x over 6 minus x equals 6 over 4, and then cross multiply. So 4x equals 6 times 6 minus x. Distribute that. So 4x equals 36 minus 6x. We're going to add the 6x. So we get 10x equals 36. And then we're going to divide by 10. So x would be 3.6. Okay. Let's see what else. Okay, last one is 33 I'm going to do here. Okay, so this one, it's the two that are on the same line that you make a ratio. 4x over 5x equals, now you go back to the top here, 4x plus 8 over 6x minus 10. And now we cross multiply. And this one gets a little fancy with x squareds, but it actually simplifies very nicely. So you're taking 4x times 6x minus 10 equals 5x times 4x plus 8. So distribute this, you get 24x squared, right? X times x is x squared, minus 40x equals 20x squared plus 40x, okay? Now, if I take away this 20x squared, you get 4x squared. If I add the 40x to the other side, oops, 40x, sorry, you get 80x. Now what you can do is you can divide everything by x. That'll get rid of this x. That'll make over here just 4x. X squared divided by x is just x. So equals 80, and look how nicely that turns out. X equals 20, okay? So those are some of the main questions I expected to get on the homework. Hopefully that answers them all. If not, talk to a neighbor around you. They can help you.